guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. It's Shelby, and we are going to attempt another vlog. You guys really enjoyed our last vlog. Granted, it was obviously different because it was the day that we found out that the new baby was coming. My brother's baby came the next day. Anyway, you guys know what I'm saying. And if you missed that, I'll link it up here. So today, hopefully it'll be another exciting day like that one, just in a different way. We have a couple things on the list, which I will show you. And yeah, we'll just see what kind of fun we can come up with. So as some of you know, we actually have a daily to-do list like printout thing, but my mom's printer isn't working and I forgot to print one out for us. So we are just writing it here in her planner. So today, well, actually, first things first, we need to film our How to Create series, which if you don't follow us on Facebook, go over there, give our page a like. We go live every week with a new DIY or project. And then obviously I'm already vlogging. And then afterwards, we're going to go to Hobby Lobby to film a shop with me. I need to take pictures to post on our social media platforms of like really cool stuff that we see, give you guys some inspiration. And then we also want to go check out Dollar Tree and see if Dollar Tree is worth filming a shop with me in as well. I know we also discussed going to Big Lots. We need to go back to Michael's because we have a return. We might go to Marshall's if we don't find some things that we need for our summer home tour, which is coming soon. So yeah, I need to get ready for our How to Create. All right, Mom, what you up to?
I am taking tags off of these flower stems. They're always really hard to remove. It's kind of necessary.
Yeah, you don't want them in your project?
No, not really. Aren't these the cutest little flowers?
Yeah, look how cool these are.
They reminded us of like fireworks in the sky. And you can see there's maybe a slight theme going on here. So yeah, we went with these.
Yeah, so what Mom's getting ready for is our How to Create, which I already told you guys about. So if you want to see how this turned out, go to Facebook.
Playing.
And I might be able to link it or at least put it in the description.
Right. We don't have swipe up yet. Bummer.
I know.
Well,
this is on YouTube.
Oh.
So there's no swipe up yet.
No swipe up on YouTube, but yeah, we might be able to.
Well, we can't link in the card yet.
Okay.
Because we're not big enough. But one day, guys,
we're getting there.
Description. Check the description box. But I have something super exciting here. I'll flip it around to me. Okay. So the super exciting thing is we're going to try something new. If you are not subscribed to our newsletter, the link is always in the description box down below. Go sign up. We will be posting our June newsletter here shortly. It might already be out. We'll see. We're already late. It is what it is. And we will be filming this video twice. So in the past, if you've been with us for a little bit, you'll know that we would upload our replays to YouTube, but we're not doing that anymore. So if you want to catch the stream on Facebook, like I said, it'll be linked. But if you want to see up close, personal, a separate video of what we're doing, that is what we will be filming immediately after. So go sign up for that newsletter. We have more cool, more specific videos coming up. We've got some freebies coming up. There's typically always a freebie. So just sign up anyway. And yeah, I guess let's make this wreath. Okay, so we just finished up that live and it took way longer than we expected. So I'll show you the wreath here in a second. We have another one that Mom needs to make, but it might not happen today like we originally planned because we do need to go to all those other stores. But before we leave the house at all, we need to finish up our video that is going live on YouTube. Our time, it'll be up tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and link it and that way you can watch it. It's just some fun summer projects that needed finished. So Mom's outside, she's picking up the yard, she's getting it pretty, and I need to go and get those shots. So I guess let's go do it. Oh yeah, but real fast, here's that wreath. Disregard all of my crap and baby crap, but look how pretty. So definitely make sure to go check out our Facebook Live if you want to see how she made it, or sign up for our newsletter to see that second video whenever that happens. There she is. Getting ready. She said picking up frisbees if you guys can't hear her. Ooh, we got way zoomed out now, guys. Look how green her yard is. And then there's what everything else looks like. So yeah, we're gonna get some close-ups. Alrighty, so we are in the car. Oh my goodness, I hate that he keeps the sunroof open.
I opened that one, I think.
Mom, wrinkles.
I like it.
Okay, well, when you get older and have wrinkles.
Oh, when I get older and have wrinkles. I'm there.
That's to blame, people. Anyway, put on your sunscreen. Okay, so we are going to Hobby Lobby first. Let me switch over to this hand. You can see Mom driving.
Oh, yay.
Yay.
That's what you guys want to see.
The peak content of these vlogs. So we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. We're going to film a shop with me that if it's up, I'll link it. And I'm also going to be taking some photos, like I said earlier, and that will be stuff that you will see on our Facebook page and Instagram stories if you follow us there. And I'll try and get some footage for the vlog while I'm there, and I'll just insert that here, I guess. Disregard our dirty car, but we stopped and got La Barista.
Oh, look at mine.
Look how beautiful.
Decadent. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yes, so thanks 2nd Street, the Hobby Lobby location if you're in town. Stop and get you something to drink. All right, we're back in from Hobby Lobby. Ready to drink what's left of our drinks.
Still good.
Still good, always good. So next we're gonna go to Big Lots or Dollar Tree?
Let's go to Dollar Tree.
Okay, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, and then I'll insert some footage of that here as well. And at the very end of this vlog, we'll do a haul of our non-Hobby Lobby stuff. How does that sound?
Perfect.
Okay, let's go shop some more. It's a crazy parking lot. Mom's frustrated. I don't blame her.
So many people.
So, with that being said, you guys saw the little bit that we showed, and there was some cute stuff for sure.
Yes.
And we got stuff for an upcoming video that will be on Facebook, so that's exciting. And we're gonna pop on over to Big Lots because it's right here.
Right next door.
And see what we can do. And I think these people need in their car, so we're gonna stop filming. So we popped into Big Lots real fast. We took a slight detour because I'll be moving soon, and where I'm moving is really close to that area. So Mom hadn't seen it yet. I took her by, showed her the house, and hopefully we'll be able to move in shortly. And yeah, now we're heading home. We'll do a little bit of a haul from where all did we even go? Everywhere but Hobby Lobby, and we will pick back up from there. Okay guys, we are back. I need to stop saying okay guys. Help me with a new catchphrase, everyone. I say all right and okay way too much. Next, I'm gonna show you what we got, and it looks like we went to Big Lots of Dollar Tree. That sounds right. That's where we were. I'm just gonna go through everything real fast and show you what we got and kind of what I'm thinking for everything. And then if you want to see the Hobby Lobby stuff, make sure to check out that shop with me, because that should be up, and I might have already linked it, and if not, I'll link it again, all that fun stuff. Through this, that way we can clean it up. So this is Dollar Tree stuff. So there's a ton of seasonings. Look how cool this stuff was. This all was Dollar Tree, so it was all $1. And this is for a Facebook Live coming up. In my time, it will be next Monday is when we will be doing this. So definitely make sure to go follow us on Facebook. I think by the time you guys see this vlog, it will have already been up. So you can go and find it. But if you can't tell, there is a theme here, and it's barbecue. And it is a Father's Day DIY. And then I was kind of showing these in the store. But look how cute this is. So Mom picked up one of those too. Oh, here's another seasoning. Look how cool. All at our Dollar Tree. So definitely check out yours if you haven't already. I've got some more Dollar Tree stuff over here, so I'll do it real fast. Mom also got one of these, which I was showing you in the store. It's galvanized. It's pretty cool. Next, look at this. It's tissue paper. But it's those liners for these baskets. But how cute would that be just to use as tissue paper, right? So had to have that. And then Mom also got some cleaner. Dollar Tree is a really great place to get this kind of stuff because you get a lot for $1. And we got just one of these. Hey, you can see me. One of these baskets just to have, essentially. Now at Big Lots, she got some really cool plates. We will have family coming soon. So you can see the pattern with that terracotta edge. It's really pretty. So there were 4 of these for $9. And we bought all of that size we could find, which was 3 packs, which should be enough for everybody that's coming. And then I needed hand soap, and this was all that they had. So I bought 2 of the pineapples, which should be fine. My husband should like that. And then I also got one of these little squirt bottles, which hindsight I probably could have got at Dollar Tree for $1, but I paid $2 at Big Lots. But I'm gonna fill it with water, and I just have little succulents, so I'm going to water my plants with this. I think it'll make my life easier, and maybe they won't die. And now finally, I think this is the last bag. Yeah, Mom got these placemats. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Move this out of the way. For these plates. And we thought it was kind of bright and pretty. And it's going to go on her outdoor table. Look how cute that is. It's super summery. And I think last thing to share with y'all is we got the Black Cherry Merlot galvanized candle from Big Lots. They had one of these left. And then they had one of the lilac, but she already accidentally bought the lilac. So this she needed as well. That was that. Pretty good. Hey guys. So our day kind of got away from us. We have just been doing a ton of stuff since filming that haul for you. We filmed another video for that wreath, and now I'm working on some computer stuff. It's getting kind of cloudy out, and I do have a different meeting to go to here in a little bit, so I'm just going to end this vlog here. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch and follow along with us. Let me know what your favorite part was down below. And just really big thanks for sticking with us, and while I figure out this whole vlogging situation. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining me, and I will catch you in the next vlog. Bye!